When you start learning Laravel, you usually put everything inside routes and it works. But this is where a beginner gets stuck later. Let's fix this using controllers. And then I will explain how data flows in Laravel. Right now we are returning views and passing data directly from routes. This works, but let's clean this up. We will move this logic into a controller. Now routes will only map URLs. The controller will return the views and prepare the data. Let's refresh. Same pages, same output, nothing broke. Here is the simple rule. Routes decide where the request goes. Controller prepares data and logic. Views only display UI. This is the real Laravel data flow. Compact is just a PHP helper. Same as passing array, just shorter. Let's pass data to about page 2. Let's update the about blade. Let's list the topics. Now the controller sends the data and blade only displays it. A common beginner issue is undefined variable. Now the page doesn't broke if data is missing. One small improvement before we finish. Let's use named route. Let's update the blade. Let's put the same in the home blade. Now links won't depend on URLs. If URL changes, link still works. This is why controllers exist. Clean routes, organized logic, and clear data flow. In the next video, we will start working with real data. Thank you.